Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install this outdoor spigot, faucet or tap or whatever you want to call it. It's getting hot here in Texas, so we need a way to easily give water to the chickens, and that's what we're going to do. The tools are ready, so let's start digging. We're going to use this fast setting concrete mix by Quikrete to set the post. It's fast setting, so you have to be quick. All you do is pour the concrete in the hole, put some water on top of it, and you're basically done. Just threw in a little bit of concrete on the bottom of the hole with a little bit of water on top of it. You don't have to do that, but I thought it'd be a good idea. Then I use a pickaxe as a third hand to hold the pot steady while I dump about half a bag of the concrete mix into the hole with about half a gallon of water on top of it, and just tap it down, make sure there's no high spots. Then I check for level, side and back, and that's good enough for me, and that looks good too. Leave it for an hour. It's fast setting concrete, so when you get back it'll be rock solid. Got a bunch of PVC fittings and pipes, so we'll be using that to take the water from the house to the spigot. Just making sure I got all the right parts, they all fit before I start gluing. I'll be using this three-way connector. One of the ends is threaded, and I'm going to thread on this end cap on that, and basically that will give me options later on if I want to extend the water source at the spigot. But for now I'm going to terminate it. Just going to dry fit everything at the spigot, make sure everything fits okay, and then measure it before you make the cut. You may have to make the cut a couple of times to get it right. To make the cuts, I'm using this PVC pipe cutter. Makes the job really easy. After a bit of trial and error, I got everything dry fitted at the spigot. As you can see, I got the three-way connector on the ground there and the end cap for future water source if I want to extend it. With the dry fitting done, I'm going to use this purple primer to clean it, and then the PVC cement to glue it together. With everything glued and connected, we're going to test it out now. The water source goes all the way across the garage, and then it's connected to the PVC pipe that runs all the way on the side of the fence and then into the chicken run. The spigot is on the corner of the chicken run, and there it is. Here it comes, and everything's working, nothing's leaking, and the chickens are happy. As always, please like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you in the next video.